In this question, you have to choose the option that depicts the reason as to why the posterior pituitary gland is not a true endocrine gland. Option A, it is under the regulation of hypothalamus. Now, it is true that posterior pituitary gland is regulated by the hypothalamus, but this does not make it not a true endocrine gland. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, it secretes enzymes. It is also incorrect because it does not secrete any enzymes. Option C, it is provided with a duct. The posterior pituitary gland does not have a duct, so it is incorrect. Option D, it only stores and releases hormones. Now, the posterior pituitary gland is considered not a true endocrine gland because it does not produce its own hormones. Instead, it stores the released hormones that are produced or synthesized by the hypothalamus, such as oxytocin and vasopressin. So this distinguishes it from other endocrine glands, which both produce and secrete their own hormones. Hence, it is the correct option.